So Roblox has announced something big. It's an R6 to R15 adapter update, and as usual, the community didn't really like it. But does it mean that R6 is going to be removed? Well, I will save you the headache of going through the Twitter and the forum posts, so here we go. Basically, this update is supposed to give developers the tools to use simulated R15 as R6, giving a similar feeling to the classic avatars while also enabling new technologies like 3D clothing, dynamic heads, and so on. And no, R6 is not getting removed, and here is why. R6 is pretty much outdated compared to the new standards, and maintaining the technology isn't particularly optimal. So that's why Roblox is going to be deprecating R6 tech in the future, but it doesn't mean that they will be removing it. In the official announcement post, Roblox is talking about this feature affecting developers who make their games or experiences in R6, and they are not forcing it. Right now they are giving developers an option to use it. And as the sentence in the first paragraph says, this is the first step towards our goal to unifying our avatars so that developers can create avatars in any style they choose and still access advanced avatar features like animating your avatar. And they have not mentioned anything about removing the R6 technology off of the platform, but they have confirmed that they will stop supporting it. And people who make R6 games are continuously talking how this update will break their projects, but no, it won't. You can still load R6 characters with scripts, or make a custom R6 blocky avatar for your game, and not to mention that you can simply just put a blocky rig as a starter character and just load your accessories and everything onto it. But yeah, when it comes to this change as a developer, you are not being limited to stick to Roblox's avatar adaptation. And maybe for now, you won't even need to do all of that. A lot of people just seem to miss this part of the post, where Roblox says you will have an option to enable the R15 to R6 adapter, which means that you will officially be able to still make games with normal R6. But why did I say maybe for now? Well, Roblox has stated that right now this feature isn't forced. However, if the majority of R6 games work with this feature, probably meaning that they will just enable it, then it will become forced. And seeing how the community reacted to it is gonna be a big question mark. And yeah, also here is a reliable source from Clone Trooper answering more of the questions, and I will be leaving links to everything in the description. But there are also some other concerns that people have, like the adapted R6 bodies having different scaling compared to the classic avatars, but as shown here, it's a faulty behavior and this will be fixed in the future. And is Roblox going to remove R6 from the website? Well, in this case, Roblox hasn't confirmed or denied anything, but I mean, just look at the update. It's about an in-game converter, and the technology itself isn't getting removed. And they also mentioned that the developers can create avatars in any type they choose, so all of it is just pointing to the fact that R6 body type is still going to be available on the website, and you will still be able to make blocky avatars with it. And well, I'm an old school player myself. I started playing Roblox in like 2010, and I like the aesthetic of old Roblox games and old avatars, and I basically just grew up with them. So do I think that Roblox is doing a good thing if it comes to this feature? Overall, yeah, like I mentioned, R6 is pretty outdated and limiting compared to what we have right now, and you shouldn't be a diehard R6 fan that's just saying how bad Roblox is, because well, in reality, this update is simply not what other people say it is. But just summing everything up, you can still create R6 avatars on the website and in-game. R6 is not gone, the aesthetic isn't gone, currently this feature is in beta, and if you want something changed, then make sure to write proper and reasonable feedback on the dev forum post, and try to discuss about it like a normal human being. But yeah, that's everything for today. Hope you found this video informative, and yeah, see ya guys.